Now she just gets it.
Ay, nako.
I'll take video. I won't let you.
You ruin everything.
Stop.
Alien na to mag-jump sa alien because he's very excited. Busy. Very good. Ano na Ezekiel? What you guys doing? What you play, Matias? Oh, oi, hey. What you playing? You're playing picnic. That's good. So, muna na ilahang yung play area. Dito na upuan din na. Wow. Oh, it's missing. Because remember, you got, oh, look at the shapes. Look at there. Muna na ilahang ko yung room. Hey! Danger! Ilang ko, no? Napadjud, bisag asa na ni. Pero kayo ilang ko, no? Lusot-lusot. O, di pa kayo na sila matugaw. Di rin na sila. Imbes closet. Muna lang taguanan, no? Muna na ilang new room. Bago nilang sit up. Oy! What happening? What's happening? Mag-story si daddy dira sila, ha? Happening! Oh. Sorry daw. Brother say sorry. Not too hard, nak. Because sometimes Matthias will put the hard. Okay, play nice, love.
You want to play picnic too?
You can build Legos, nak. Remember, before sleeping, mag-clean up na food. That's why, less toys that you don't play, just scatter. Just don't put scattered everywhere. Because you guys gonna end up cleaning it. Play nice, my love. Kabitor, wa na, tangtang ng tiil. Sige na, mag-play nice naman na. You didn't find your lunchbox? Where it could be? Ilahang ko ano. Ilahang look at the Legos. Butang din na siya. May pieces. Lah, where is the one in the middle na? Patay. Lusot na po na ba? Lusot. Again. You see the little artist here. Wow! Why we need toys if there's boxes? Wow! Ano tiya sir? Oh, playing his one. Wow! What did you draw? So this is what you draw, guys. What? Another game? That's so cool, Ezekiel. Garbage guys here.
Want to pick it?
Yeah. No. We're just picking our garbage. We have tons of garbage.
100?
Tons of it.
Yeah.
But next week we're gonna have little. Wow, good job! Hurot na nga tong pen.
I almost done.
Almost done? Can you tell me what you draw?
I play one more.
One more? Oy, how many did that?
Dot.
Lots. That's 5.
Yeah,
Draw
4.
siya. My little artist ni. Oh. Kaya kaya gidraw. Kwanda na people. People. And how about this? Is this rainbow? Huh?
Yeah. I can my shopping rainbow to buy some food.
Ay. Wow, that's so cool. I like it.
I'm not done there.
Ezekiel, I like it.
Mommy, I'm not done.
You're not done? Look at how it looks. This is gonna be my comment siguro ng pintor.
I'm doing this.
I love that. It's so cool.
It's a big giant. I have a big.
Hurot na nga itong pintel pin. Wow.
Now, can you I have a big giant.
Look at those.
Can you help me?
What could I help you? You got it.
This biggest giant.
I like it. So cool.
It will be tiny. It's bigger.
I love it.
And bigger. And
You like drawing, Ezekiel?
And bigger and bigger. And forever
So
bigger.
cool. Matias here. Yeah. Matias here, oh, playing po siya sa ihang kwan.
A big
Blocks.
giant.
Yeah. Yours is Big Giant?
Yeah, you need to
Wow.
I killed him, yes. I killed him. With this, I killed him.
Wow.
Mommy, I
Yeah.
need to go there. It's not there.
You can wait for now your corn dogs is hot, huh? That's so cool, Ezekiel.
I'm ready for my toy dogs.
You ready?
Not yet.
Not yet.
I need to.
Mommy's cleaning the air fryer. But your corn dogs is already there on the plate.
I'm there for you.
Yes.
I'm for you.
Customers. Good job, Ezekiel. Good job.
Mommy, I know that.
That's okay. Lag. Oy. We're in the tramway. Uy! Hello? Mad siya. Wala pa nagkuan. Andar. Good job, Ezekiel. Hold on. No standing up. Danger. Yeah. What's that? What's that? Matthias, look. A dragon.
On the left, just peeking over that, he is our only male African elephant here at the zoo. Be sure to give him a nice big
There's a baby rhino. Getting big. Look. Getting closer. Look. Last time this spot is very like the old woods. Now they build new woods in here. Busy. You see Matthias? Right over there. Sand cat.
Oh, this is just another highlight.
It's so cute.
Mom.
Yes?
Mom.
I know, I see it. Hoy! Oh. What? What you see? Ezekiel's trying to say. You see it? Where is it? Where? Where? Oh!
I see something.
Oh, there's a big nest.
Oh, I see that.
Look at this bird. Oh. So cute. What do you see? It's like ducky, it's still bird.
Mama,
Tiny
say Jackie. Jackie. Oh, beauty boy.
It's like tiny duck. Right here. Gray one.
Come on, God.
Red ruffed lemur. It's right over there. Very blurry. Look at this bird. Look. 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 Oh. Oh, he's making sound. The lemur. Pretty. So pretty. This monkey is Hey, you're a monkey? Hi, monkey. Oh. Monkey. Background is penguin. Hi. That's You're a monkey. Hi, we win.
Win. What are you doing?
He said we win daw.
This is it.
Mommy win. Uli na mi. Hapit sa mi sa ilang lula ug lulu. Pretty flowers, guys. Popping up na, oh. Nagbabadya na ang spring. Spring. That bees. Birds are singing. Among gamay nga sorry today. Sa zoo, painit, tapos sa kalakaw. Gamay lang na section among i-add to. Specific lang.
Wow.
Oh!
The wind's been so crazy here.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Really. I forgot about that part of this yard. This area. It has,
But I like it, Mom. Because you guys' neighborhood is very quiet.
yeah, it is very
Yeah.
quiet. Now, it used to be, it might still be during the summer.
Yeah.
What happened, love?
No, he's just being.
Oh, you're being funny?
Ah.
This guy back there. Get him, catch him! Get him from the zoo!
Oh.
Oh, who's eating him? Oh my god. You're gonna be pooping bubbles. It looks like a witch's broom.
Woo! That's yeah. Which is broom? No, that's the one now. The broom. Give it to me. Yep, for the kids. Since I'm always using that red broom for them, if they get silly. Ay, what they're doing? Oh, getting those.
Okay.
Ezekiel. That's itong pork belly. Panghapon na ito karon. Puling yubin. Ano yung prito? Crispy man po do. Mantikaon kayo. Crispy na. Parisan o cherry radish na naay toyo o suka. Tapos cider vinegar o soy sauce. Plus rice impas ang panihapon ni Manang. Mantikaon tayo. Grabing tambok. Manang manihapon. Salt and pepper lang ang akong gibudbud ana guys. Nananak pa basic pang magprito. Prito. Impas na ready na ang rice. Kita patani anay kung sa tong pang tulak. Katiba or sa batong itulak ani tubig lang. Manihapon guys, manihapon. Crispy pork belly. Grabing tambok. Grabe kang mukay sa pangpan guys. Hindi kayo. Grabe tambok na ng high blood. Grabe ang fats. You guys not hungry yet? Mommy start eating na. Juicy kayo, juicy. Open na din ako guys. Mommy already cut. You guys kuan. Para di na tamad kuan. It's already been. Okay, so. Mommy will cut the meat na. Hey. Oh, grabe ka humo guys. Humo kayo.
Hello.
Hello. You ready to eat? Humo first kayo.
This is $50.
Yeah.
This one is $50.
Ano?
Uh,
Oy! Lutad na. Ay, kahumok. Oy. You ready to eat? Yummy, yummy?
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.